Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today I want to show y'all my moisturizing routine for my Microlocs that I've been doing lately that does not cause buildup. Because if you've been watching my previous vlogs, then you know that I have been really testing the waters as far as trying out different products, specifically creams, because I was trying to follow the LOC method, the liquid oil cream for my locks, and I haven't noticed too much buildup, but I have realized that maybe I've been using a little bit too much of those creams lately, and I wanted to just simplify my routine. So I'm not going to be using any creams in this video. I'm just going to be using some oils and some rose water, which I will show y'all in a sec. But here I'm just showing y'all the length. I have not braided my hair in a couple days, so this is what it looks like whenever I just leave it alone and just let it be straight without trying to curl it or anything. So I'm just showing y'all that right here. Alright, so moving on to the products that I'm going to be using. My tried and true rose water, castor oil, and I'm going to be using this miel oil. Honestly, I'm using castor oil because I don't have any more almond oil or grapeseed oil. I typically don't use castor oil that much on my hair, even though I know that, they have great health benefits, but it's just really thick. So I just prefer not to use it, but that's all that I had today, so that's what I'm gonna be using. I am trying to section my hair off. I'm also realizing that all of my clips are too small for this half of my hair, so I'm looking for something else. I was able to find a hair tie, so I'm going to just use that instead of those little clips, and I'm going to use the clips for smaller sections because I do need to also detangle my hair tonight. It's detangle night. I typically detangle my hair the same nights that I moisturize it, and that is generally like 3 to 4 days a week, so maybe every other day. But do you see all these tangles? I really need to make sure that I'm detangling my hair because my hair gets tangled very, very quickly. Alright y'all, let's get started with this routine. So I'm going to be using my rose water. I'm going to spray a generous amount all throughout the shaft of my locks, and I'm also going to be spraying it in my roots. I'm going to make sure that I get my roots really, really well because I'm trying to just give it some moisture, give it that rose water. I have not been using tap water lately. I was for a while, but I kind of realized that it was making my hair feel really dry. So I'm using my rose water. I'm also going to take some of this castor oil, just a little bit of that. Just a little, because it is super thick, and I'm just going to focus it on my ends and throughout the shaft of my locks. I'm not going to put the castor oil on my roots just because, I don't know, it's just super thick and I just prefer not to. I don't know, unless I'm about to wash my hair, which I'm not about to do tonight, so I don't want to put the castor oil on my roots. But I'm going to take this miel oil, or miel. Can somebody please type out the pronunciation in the comments, because everybody says it differently. But I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to put this directly onto my roots. And after I'm done applying this onto my roots, I'm going to just lightly massage it in and just braid that section up. And that's all, y'all. I'm just going to repeat it for the rest of my hair. Okay, so I just finished up all of these braids on this side of my hair in the moisturizing routine. I total about 5 braids on this side, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now that all of my braids are done, I am going to take some of this coconut oil and I'm going to spray it all throughout my hair. I'm not specifically trying to focus it on any part of my hair, just everywhere, y'all. This stuff smells so good and it's really light. So I'm just going to use this and tie my hair up, and that is all for my moisturizing routine. I hope that y'all enjoyed.